Skjutväggar är praktiska. Skjutväggar
means sliding doors or sliding walls. The word is a compound noun.
Skjut
Comes from the verb
skjuta.
to shoot, push, slide, indicating the sliding mechanism.
Väggar
Is the plural form of
vägg.
wall, pronounced roughly,
Shoo-t-veh-gar
with a slightly softer
g
sound than in English. The
u.
in
Skjut
is a short
u.
sound as in put,
Är
is the third person plural form of the verb
att vara.
to be. It means are, pronounced.
Är
It's a very common verb and its conjugation changes depending on the subject.
praktiska
Means practical or convenient. It's the plural form of the adjective
praktisk.
pronounced
Prak-tee-ska
with a short
I
sound, much like the I in hit. The
k
sound is firm. Putting it together
Skjutväggar är praktiska.
means sliding doors, walls are practical, or sliding doors, walls are convenient. It's a simple, factual statement about the usefulness of sliding doors or walls.